Winters are here, and this time they are making up for the last few years. While most of the people plan to spend their holidays and week offs curled up in a blanket and sipping hot chocolate, there are some people like me who love to explore new places and enjoy the chilly weather while sipping hot chocolate, of course. From the magical Himachal Pradesh to relaxing Kerala, there are many places to visit in winters in India that will make you want to get out of your cozy beds and experience the season at its best. First up on our list is Gulmarg. This hill town nestled in the northernmost state of India is magical all year round, but its charm is enhanced upon the arrival of winters. The snow-laden landscape and frozen lakes make this place a perfect destination to indulge in snow activities like skiing and snowboarding. Adventure seekers can satiate their hunger for adrenaline rush by trekking on one of the many trails that become even more challenging during the season. What not to miss here is the cable car ride. Shimla Kurfi is definitely among the most popular destinations in North India for people who like to experience snowfall. The capital city of Himachal is surrounded by rolling hills and snow-covered forests, which open the path for many adventure activities. Numerous restaurants lining the mall road make the perfect setting to enjoy panoramic views of the Himalayas while sipping a hot cup of tea. What not to miss here is the ice skating at the open-air skating rink. Towering mountains, deodar trees, winding roads and heavy snowfall. We are talking about India's most loved winter destination, Manali. Situated in Himachal Pradesh, this hill station is a paradise for snow lovers, honeymooners and adventure lovers. Whether it is a biking trip to Rohtang Pass, paragliding in Solang Valley or hiking up to Jogini waterfalls, Manali will leave you with a memorable experience and urge you to come back more than once. What not to miss here is the food walk in Old Manali. Want to learn skiing while magnificent peaks of Nanda Devi? Nilkant and Mana Parvata are looking over you. Then you must head to the best skiing destination of India, Oli. While it boasts of lush green valleys almost throughout the year, visiting this place in peak winters lets you see it in a completely different light. The landscape is covered with a thick layer of snow. Numerous ski resorts dotting the region are bustling with holidaymakers and adventure junkies. What not to miss here is the National Championship of Skiing. Home to old Indochina Silk Route, Gangtok is a unique hill station that offers something for everyone. From Buddhist pilgrims to trekkers, tourists to honeymooners. Every kind of traveler can find an activity of their interest. Rich flora, fauna, tranquil, high altitude lakes, colorful monasteries and views of the surreal Himalayas entice you like no other place. While Gangtok doesn't receive any snowfall, the temperature soars around 4 degrees. So be mindful while you pack your bag. What not to miss here is a trip to Nathula Pass and Somongo Lake. India is incredibly beautiful, and apart from these, you can take a trip to any part of India, maybe north or south. You will love your trip. Hope you like this episode, and do not forget to pack your bags, book a ticket and go on a trip. To stay updated, stay with Nandhi Ghosha Digital.